luxury HGV Helios 26-ton horsebox is a top-of-the-line horse transport vehicle designed and manufactured by KPH, a company based in the UK. It is known for its spacious interior, high level of customization, and luxurious amenities for both horses and riders. The horsebox has a massive internal height of up to 8 feet 6 inches and can accommodate up to 6 horses comfortably. The extra space allows for larger horses to travel in comfort and reduces the risk of injury. The living quarters of the Helios 26-ton horsebox are equally luxurious. They can be customized to include a variety of features, such as a kitchen, sleeping area. It can be transformed from a single 45-foot container into a triple-deck venue with a total volume of 180 square meters, offering ample space for up to 170 people. The Giant XL features a viewing deck on the roof, which can accommodate up to 35 people, and is equipped with climate control, LED lighting, and all the tech features you need to create an exclusive hospitality space for your guests. It is the perfect solution for sports events, corporate marketing events, and other special occasions. If you are looking for a unique and impressive way to host your next event, the Motorhome Giant XL is the perfect solution. The RC12M is a luxury motorhome built by RC Motorhomes in the United Kingdom. The RC12M is built on a Volvo F8. There are also 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a laundry room. The RC12M is a truly unique and luxurious motorhome. The STX Motorhomes 3 Pop-Outs is a luxurious motorhome that features 3 pop-outs, which create a spacious and comfortable living area. The motorhome is built on a Mercedes Actros chassis and is powered by a 510 horsepower engine. It has a length of 39 feet and a width of 8 feet. The interior of the STX Motorhomes 3 Pop-Outs is well appointed and features a number of amenities, including a bedroom with a queen-size bed, a bathroom with a shower, a living area with a sofa and a TV. It's on a lightweight aluminum frame and has a riveted construction for extra durability. The interior layout can be customized to meet your individual needs and preferences. The interior of the OTA G620 is spacious and can accommodate up to 6 people. It features a master bedroom with a queen-size bed, a dinette that converts into a sleeping area, and a bunk bed. The OTA G620 also has a full kitchen and bathroom. The Crawler OTA 620 is a great option for anyone who is looking for a truck camper that is both comfortable and capable. The Crawler OTA 620 starts at $125,000 US. The STX Scania P is a line of luxury horseboxes built on the Scania P chassis. The STX Scania P is a popular choice for professional horse riders and breeders. It is a well-made and luxurious horsebox that offers a comfortable and safe environment for horses. The Lotus Caravan's Off-Grid is a popular caravan model that is designed for off-road and remote camping. It is known for its durability, luxury features, and ample storage space. It also has 4 solar panels, industry-leading battery capacity, a dust reduction system, and an unbeatable water storage capacity, making it ideal for off-grid camping. The off-grid comes in a variety of floor plans, but all models are designed to be spacious and comfortable. The interior features include a queen-size bed, a dinette that can be converted into a bed, a well-equipped tour players with access to the latest tailor-made equipment and expert fitting services. It's essentially a golfer's paradise on wheels, packed with everything a pro golfer could need to optimize their clubs and performance. The truck is a double-decker with a total of 450 square feet of space. This provides ample room for the various workstations, player lounges, and meeting areas. The first floor houses the main fitting area, with multiple hitting bays, a putting green, and a lounge for players to relax. The second floor features a meeting room, a kitchen, and additional player lockers. It's estimated to be around $1.6 million. The 4Travel IH45 Luxury is a Class A diesel pusher away from home, such as a full kitchen with a refrigerator, a bathroom with a shower, and a comfortable bedroom with a king-size bed. If you're looking for the ultimate in luxury RVing, the 4Travel IH45 is definitely worth considering. The starting price for a new 4Travel IH45 luxury motor coach is around $1.2 million. The Romotow prototype is a luxury travel trailer concept that features a unique rotating cabin design. When towing or parked, the cabin is tucked compactly inside the outer shell. But with the push of a button, the cabin rotates outwards, increasing the living space by 70%. The Romotow prototype is packed with other high-end features, including a full kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and $268,500. Marathon Coach 1363 is a 2024 H345 double-slide luxury motorhome built on the Prevost H345 chassis. It is a custom-built coach, meaning that the owners were able to choose all of the features and finishes that they wanted. The coach is textured with dark neutral shades and a hint of blue, and it has crisp lines that draw the eye across the exterior. The interior of the coach is just as impressive as the exterior. It is decorated in gently contrasting tones of white, brown, and black, and it has soft accent lighting that ensures that every corner is well lit. The coach has a fireplace, a large pantry, a galley with a camouflage dishwasher, covered stove, and one rental park. It is based on the Mercedes Attigo chassis and features a number of high-end amenities, including a fully equipped kitchen, a spacious living area, a large bathroom, and a bedroom with a king-size bed. The STX Eila Edition One is powered by a 515 horsepower Mercedes-Benz engine and has a top speed of 87 miles per hour. It is also equipped with a number of safety features, such as lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. The NL exclusive S650 is a luxury motorhome built on the Scania S650 chassis. It is handcrafted by NL Motorhome in Sweden and is known for its high quality, and exclusive S650 is powered by a Scania 16-liter V8 engine that produces 730 horsepower. The NL exclusive S650 starts at around $500,000. The Unicat Expedition is an all-terrain, six-wheeled truck designed for off-road travel and exploration. It is based on the Mercedes-Benz Zetros 2733 chassis and features a number of modifications that make it more capable for expedition use. These modifications include a reinforced chassis, a higher ride height, and all-wheel drive with locking differentials. The Unicat Expedition is also equipped with a number of amenities that make it comfortable for long-distance travel, such as a kitchen, a bathroom, and a sleeping area.